Speed Shop YouTube channel. Today, we got the 1990 GMC C1500 in for an exhaust leak. But guess what? We ain't fixing no exhaust leak. We installing Flowtech headers and a full Flowmaster exhaust. Go ahead and check it out. Junk, y'all. Hey, go ahead and smash that subscribe button if y'all new over here too.
Shorty is like a melody in my head. Yeah. First things first, I'm the real ass.
But I'm just joking with y'all. First thing first, we're gonna hacksaw the frick out of the stock exhaust and get that in a garbage can. Let's start rolling on it.
Moisture, D. It was like you was cutting diamonds, D. Yeah. Somebody would probably buy that for $2.
At least, D.
That's that factory dual 350 setup, yeah? Little did y'all know, D headed over to DuheSpeedShop.com this morning and picked up some merch. I saw that order come true.
Waiting on it, D.
I saw it.
I don't know if it'll bite though, D.
How about from this end?
First cut line.
I told D I was gonna hold the header while he undid the last bolt. Check out what I discovered.
There's the exhaust leak, D.
That'll do it.
And freaking O2 sensor was just dangling too, so truck might actually run better, yeah? Headed to O'Reilly's right quick to go get a new O2 sensor, and then we're gonna continue on with the project. Got the shorty headers, some hardware in the gaskets, yo. Got both headers on. Just cranked it up. It sounded like something we would have ran in high school. We're gonna go ahead and work our way under the truck now. All right, y'all, so evidently I ordered the wrong wire pipe for these headers. All right, so this is the thing. When I put them headers in my cart, it says suggested wire pipe. I put it in there. Well, now I'm looking at everything, and now the wire pipe ain't on the suggested parts, and now I got a different part number with it. So I'm all confused. So I'm coming modified that wire pipe because I'm finishing this today. Then we continue running this, continue running this pipe. Keep rolling. Choking, D. Finally, nice without an exhaust leak. Well, y'all, that's gonna cut it for the exhaust video on the 1990 1500. I think it sounds pretty good. And I feel like it's running a lot better. That Cloud Cat was really blocking a lot of my power. All right, y'all. Later. Hope you enjoyed.